Well, there you have it, the rebuild of the 1957 F100. Besides the engine work, there was also work done on the brakes. All wheel cylinders were replaced, front disc, front drums, shoes. The front shoes were replaced. Back shoes were in good shape. I've done all this body work. May not be perfect, but I was expected to have it painted at Macco, but Macco told me they changed their formula of paint, so some of this red spot putty that I put on, they say they can't cover it. I asked them to primer it and then seal it and then paint it, and they said, well, they can't do that either. So I guess Macco's not going to paint it, because I'm certainly not going to take all the spot putty out. And now I'm not sure which direction I'm going to go with the paint. There's a couple options. We have one car that's a star on YouTube, Lightning McQueen 2. So we may make this a Mater truck. There's two Mater trucks. There's the blue one where Mater goes to Tokyo, and there's the regular Mater truck. We may go with the blue first, then go with the regular truck. Just videotape it as we're doing it. It seems like it'd be an interesting video. I hope you enjoyed this. Rebuild of this 1957. It was a pleasant surprise to find a 1969 327 with the 350 turbo behind it. A little bit of cleanup, a little bit of fixing. It's looking real nice. Runs real good. Well, that's it, gang. That's all the fixes that I'm going to do to this truck. It's in pretty good shape. You could drive it around, haul stuff. I guess you could just about do anything. I do have a 1959 Shaft trailer. I was thinking about hooking up and going camping with it. Well, that's it. I've enjoyed making these, and I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you for watching.